Crazy sex takes me to paradise. Send a shows. Yeah, you make me feel like I'm locked out of heaven. Yo, what up, gang? What up, chat? I'm back. Every day we get new shit. No, today we are doing quarterly theory, chat. Quarterly theory today. A new strat today. Alright? Alright. Yes, sir. Good to see you too, Sam RX3. Today we are doing quarterly theory, guys. What do you guys think about that? Quarterly theory? Perhaps. Perhaps. It's the new model, bro. It's the new strat. I'm telling you. It's literally the new strat. Of course, I'm ready. Nah, I gotta change the chart. I actually want to change my chart colors, actually. Send a show. I want to like it transparent. You make me feel like. No, that's fine. Nice. When do you use quarter theory? I use standard deviations and quarterly theory. What do you do other than trading? Just hit the gym. When does the haircut come in, bro? I'm getting a buzz cut soon. Low key, I want a buzz cut. But let's get started. Can I just? Alright, basically, I go on the hourly and I'm marking out my midnight opening, right? And I'm like, okay, look, are we below or above midnight opening? We're below midnight opening, right? So then I draw, and then I go on the 15-minute, draw my standard deviation, and we don't get much here, right? So I can't really draw my standard deviation because it looks like Asia just came down and just dumped, right? So then I'm like, bro, like where are we drawing our standard deviations at? Like here, there we go. All right, so now this is where I'm projecting price to come down towards 2. So I'm pretty much bearish bias going to the day. And then let's go back. And then now, quarterly theory. I have my Gann box. So I'm marking it from 9 to 10:30. So this is my quarterly theory, right? But then I have to see what the previous session did also, right? So during 6 to 7:30, that's my accumulation zone, no matter what. So this is my accumulation zone. And then from 7:30 to 9 o'clock is my manipulation, right? So if you look here, price accumulated here, manipulation at a key time, 7:45, and then dump towards the downside, right? So I want to see what happens here, right? So if you go here, we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This could be, if I'm bearish bias, we could see shorts here, right? So now we redo the zone. Right? So now higher time frame or lower time frame, this is our consolidation zone, right? From here, boom. That's my accumulation and manipulation here. So I'm waiting for this quarter to pass. This is the manipulation quarter. Okay, we're coming up. I'm just looking for confirmation. So I want to be entering my positions at around 9:45-ish a.m. So right here, manipulation. 9:45 happens here, right? So if I'm bearish bias, look at that. We're above midnight opening. I want to see like an inversion fair value gap here would be nice. All right, perfect. We have an inversion fair value gap. We're in a key time. Accumulation, manipulation. And then I want to see price come lower at this inversion fair value gap here. So let's see what happens here in this situation. Oh, shit. Okay, hold up. Let's re-enter one more time. Let's wait for a breaker this time, though. Okay, we have a breaker here. I'm just going to go ahead and enter a position here. Stop to this high again. One more time. This is my breaker here. High, low, higher, high. This is these down close cones is my breaker. So we tap the breaker. Now we're starting to see downside here. So my overall target is this area, this low, right? But let's mark out our premium and discount just to be safe, right? Just to be motherfucking safe, right? We have equilibrium of this range. Okay, perfect. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. Nice, right? There we go. I'm a fucking G, my NGA. I'm a G. Now, we wait. Where, be logical. Where can price reverse from? We have a low down here. I'll go and take a partial at this low. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Random, right? Taking out the low here. 50% more. Let's take 75% off. Let's go break even. All right, we're looking for this consolidation low. Oh my god, I'm a fucking G. I'm a fucking G. All right. The first one got me stopped. The second one, I'm a G. I'm a G. All right. That's how we do quarterly theory. Like, I make quarterly theory so fucking easy. I think quarterly theory is like the way in standard deviations, bro. I'm telling you. Let's go again. Whoa. You make 20K a month now? I've been here from the early days. Yeah, bro. My mentorship's like 10K, so I have 2 people in it, and yeah, so far. All right, let's go here. Are we above midnight opening or are we below midnight opening here? All right, we're above midnight opening, so I'm drawing my standard deviation. Low, high. I'm drawing my standard deviation from the breakers, right? So look at that. We're in a key time, or we're in a key level, obviously, for our fair value gap. We're above standard deviation here. So I want to see potential shorts play out here. So then I drop down to the 5-minute here. And I'm marking out my consolidation zone, right? This is my consolidation zone. Look at that. We manipulate the high at a key time during 7:30 to from 7:30 to 9 o'clock. We manipulate at a key time. Now, since we're trading the distribution candle, this is our zone. This is our area. So right. So I want to see another manipulation above these highs, right? We have a high here, and then we have low here, right? So it looks like I want to go bearish, right? I want to go bearish. No, I have 2 charts on me, bro. I have 2 charts. I have ES on one side and NQ on one side, bro. Chill. All right, so now I want to be bearish, but we took out consolidation lows first. So now let's see what happens. Okay, we're coming lower. Okay, look at that. Okay, we manipulate this. I'm going to look to trade around 945. I like how we come up, manipulate that high. Thing is, we have SMT here also, and we just inverse this fair value gap here. Now, we could look to short here, but I want to be entering at a key time here. From the love of my life. Okay, I like this. This looks good. This looks good. All right, we have a breaker here. We have a high. We have a high, low, higher, high, break below the low. We have a breaker here. Nice little breaker. We could go ahead and enter shorts here. And then my stops is above this manipulation high. And I'm looking at target, obviously. I want to see a 2R here. Or take out these lows here. And see if we can come back up to this breaker. It's my golden hour. Come on. Come on, bro. I'm done. I'm done. Oh, it's laggy. Yeah, no, we would. Okay, yeah, I just would have been done for the day. But the bias was right? I don't even need to go on the higher time frame. I just know it from quarterly theory, okay? Like, I just fucking know it. From the love of my life. Like, dude, I made this. Like, I just know. Right? Ready? All right, let's go here. This is we just go here, right? We go on the 15-minute time chart, right? Or go on the hourly first. Market midnight opening. Are we above midnight opening? Yes. So now I'm drawing my standard deviation from the last here. Low, high. All right, so as you can tell, we have more room to the upside here, right? We're not in a key area to reverse from. But if you look at ES, we have SMTs up here. So we could look for shorts here in this position. Now, boom. I will look for shorts. Plus, we have an hourly order block here also. We have an hourly propulsion block here also. So now, I'm bearish. So let's go on the 5-minute. Okay, let's go on 5-minute. Mark out our consolidation range. This is our consolidation range here. All right. Okay, see how we took out this low at a key time. So now, let's go here. This is my distribution area. I want to go ahead and mark out my quarterly theory here. We have accumulation at these lows. Accumulation. Manipulate. Okay, so now I'm waiting for it to see what price action does. Boom. Okay, perfect. We come up to standard deviation here also. Taking out the highs and the lows. Right now, we're not or the manipulation area. So right now, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for 945. So 945 opens up. Oh, 945 opens up, and then we just completely dump. Right? So now look at that. We have a high, low, higher, high. We have a breaker. We have a nice little breaker here. I'll go ahead and enter off this breaker here. And then my stops at right here. Actually, this is the safest stop. And then I'm looking to target London lows and lower prices here. Or I'm going to target 2R here. Let's see what happens here. Bro, what the fuck? I'm not getting filled, bro. I'm not getting filled. Like, I want to start entering off the manipulation area, but like I'm not confident in taking it because like we don't get much of confirmation up here during the manipulation area, right? So the thing is, like, what really helped me was time. Time has definitely helped me. Like, quarterly theory has definitely helped me finding like correct bias and just everything, bro. Like, I took during the 945 era. I'm wanting this fair value gap, but we don't get tagged. Oh, we get the fair value gap, but we don't get the breaker. I want to get the breaker in, but unfortunate. So let's go here. Let's say I missed that move, right? The next zone is from 10:30 to 11. Let's see. Wait, 10:30 to 12 I meant. All right, so right here, we're taking out London lows, right? So now we can look for our standard deviation projection here. High, low, higher, high. So let's see what happens. I'm not looking to take a trade until 10:30 here. Or I'm not looking to take a trade until like 10:30 area. Or I'm in 11:15 area. Right now I'm just letting price do its thing. I'm not looking to take a trade until 11:15 because of time, right? So now this is my accumulation range, right? Since this was distribution, this X, it could either be my retracement to go higher or to go lower, or to go the opposite direction. So look at that. We take out accumulation low, and then we're about to take out accumulation high. Let's see what happens here. I want to see price go higher to take out this accumulation high. We have a low, high, lower, low. We have a breaker here, which price could retrace back into. So let's put our stop loss here at this accumulation low and target this accumulation high. Actually, I don't like the RR, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it my entry at this consequent encroachment of this breaker here. Okay, we get tagged. Let's see what happens here. I want to see price react. No, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what is this? Okay, just chop for the rest of the day, bro. I'm cooked. I'm literally cooked. Bro, I'm cooked. I think is I can't wait for a clear reaction. I just have to enter, bro. I just have to fucking enter, bro. Nah, I got this. Watching bro made me realize losing 10 evals isn't so bad, bro. That's crazy. Nah, not good. That's the smart of it. It's the always trading, not just trading sideways, man. Fair enough. You only use clean chart? What do you mean? No volume. I don't use new day opening gaps or new week opening gaps. Who influenced you about Cordy theory? This guy named Keen, but then like he got called out being a fraud. Like the fraud message was crazy, bro. Like, bro, you guys gotta look at this fraud message, bro. Yo, it was like coming clean. Yes, I LARPed everything since the start, from the name Keen to all my trades of all my vacations. It was all trade evade demo, and I faked those payouts. Not making a huge sob story because I'm gonna disappear. But yes, I'm in the LARP of the century. My life is miserable and I'm poor. The truth is my name isn't even Keen. I've been role playing as an actual wealthy friend of mine, and I've been making money off his name and his pictures. I use all of his pictures, physique, face, vacations, cars, etc., and I use the other pictures from random slideshows on TikTok for validation. I've edited his name onto things and edited them into my own home screens and done many things to count. The guilt is building in me, especially after being caught. I will probably own up to it and tell him what I've been doing. I've been envious of him since we were kids, and because he never wanted to put me on, so I did what I could. I'm a very shitty person. I'm ashamed that I let it go this far. If you guys do find the real Keen that I've been LARPing as, I hope you guys do not send any hate to him, because at the end of the day, I tarnish his reputation and he's actually a good person. This is the only time I will be addressing this, and the last time I will send any chats. I will send any chats here. I apologize for lying, for faking everything. I need to revalue my life choices and become a better person. Rick's message, bro, was like, damn, bro. It was like, damn. Bro, that's what I read. I read it super fast. I can't say it. Wait. That's Cope, no shot. Geo was a G though, I'm not gonna lie. The thing is, like, he taught me that. He taught me all of that. And like, it works. Alpha Features does have an activation fee this month. Thing is, I don't even know. But the thing that he taught me worked, bro. So I don't even know. All right, so I'll go here. I'm looking at, we're above midnight opening, so I'm drawing my standard deviation from here to here. Low, high. All right, so we tap standard deviation up here, right? And we're starting to see structure down. So I'm pretty much bearish going into the day. So then I'm going here. I'm marking out my consolidation area from 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. So right here, this is basically my consolidation area. Consolidation. We manipulate up here. We manipulate, and now we're starting to see distribution towards the downside, right? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution towards quarterly theory, right? So this X, so this could be 9 o'clock. It can literally be accumulate, or it can be a reversal, or it can literally be a continuation towards the downside. So now, here, marking this accumulation high and accumulation low. This is my accumulation. Okay, so we manipulated. Looks like we could see a reversal here. I like how we closed above here. Accumulation, manipulation. I'm waiting, just chilling, just waiting. Manipulation higher, obviously, it looks like. We have a nice thick down close order block here, which we could enter off of. Stops at this high. And target, obviously, this accumulation low. Let's see if we can get tagged here. Okay, we get tagged at this order block. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, shit! Oh, my gosh. I thought I ate, bro. Low-key, I thought I ate. I low-key thought I ate. I low-key thought I ate, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if we can get this inversion for value gap. Can we get this inversion for value gap? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and re-enter here. Looks like this was the manipulation. Let's see if we can come back down here, chat. I'm anticipating this fair value gap here to hold, by the way. Accumulation, manipulation. I want to see this distribute here. There we go. Distribute for me, motherfricker. Motherfricker. I'm taking like I'm taking like partials at this concurrent encroachment of this consolidation range. Because I could be wrong. Oh my goodness, we just tapped this and then we just are acting from it. Fuck, I knew it too, bro. I knew it too. Bro, I knew this consolidation range was literally I could have targeted this. I could have targeted to this. Bro. Oh, brother. But I was just bearish, man. Like I knew this is accumulation, manipulation. Like, we could have drew a standard deviation from here also. We tap -4 standard deviation, and guess what? We just pump. Through my brain, guess I would die for you, baby. Price is never wrong. You're right. You're absolutely correct, kind sir. Ever did, baby. Alright, you're right. Price is never wrong. But telling us to get you close to payout? No, not yet. Honestly, you are considering wrong, consistently wrong, bro. Chill. Bro, if you try like this, you're gonna stand problem. Bro, the thing is like real-time data, bro. It's easy, bro. Alright, let's see. Alright. Marking out my accumulation area. This is accumulation for me. We manipulation lower. Oh, you never do the same. Alright, we have standard deviation projecting us higher prices here. Perfect. I'm bullish bias going into the day. I'm bullish bias, chat. Bullish. Alright, so now, from here, this is my area of interest. Right? We have an accumulation low here. Wait. Accumulation low. Accumulation high. Micro-wise. I like how we just sweep out this low and just push up towards the upside, unfortunately. So I'm looking for price to go higher eventually. Wait, let's see what happens here. This is manipulation right now. Accumulation. Tick high, low. Tick low, high. We're at max standard deviation. I want to see longs here at 9:45. Let's take our time tonight, girl. And always as I'm watching. There's no place I'd rather be in this world. Alright, perfect. Adjusting my stop loss to this low. Underneath the chandelier, we're dancing all night long. There's no reason to have. Let's see. Bro, we're just accumulating here. I don't like this. Oh, baby, let's just turn to the lights. Close the door. I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. Oh, bro. Oh, bro, we're cooked. We're cooked. For me, yeah. Dude, win. Okay, fine. I'll have to win. And like pretend like I pick up chicks, right? Okay, I'm actually gonna like trade for real. Like I was like I was like journaling like a little bit, and like right here, like it worked, right? Standard deviation here, we projected off of here, like same thing, standard deviation projection, like rejection off of here, like here, same thing. Like I was doing it, I was cooking. Like, I was cooking here. Girl, you know it. You're perfect from your head to toe. Getting that server, bro. Bro. Alright, I know what to do. I know what to do, chat. For real, so yeah. Cool, look at the chart. Is it going up or down? Dead ass. Ask yourself that. Fair enough. I'm a dodger, bro. They call me dodgy trades, bro. Watch. Okay, I got this. Alright, look at the daily time chart. Dude, there's so many ways to fucking do it, though. Like, look at the daily time chart. Are we bullish or bearish? Look at that. We're bullish, right? Just looking at this price action, we're bullish. I'm looking for longs this day. Alright, so now go on the quarterly theory area. I'm bullish. My bias is bullish. Let's go here. Mark out this. If I'm bullish, I want to see accumulation here. Accumulation. So I want to see price take out lows. Oh, wow. What the fuck is happening? Bro, I'm bullish, bro. It's warming up, can you feel it? It's warming up, can you feel it? It's warming up, can you feel it, baby? Oh, I missed the entry. Get ready for more. Let's just kiss till we're naked. Ooh, Versace on the floor. Alright, see what happens here. Bro, what the f... We should be fine, yeah. That's what I figured, bro. Yeah, that's what I figured. Bro, what the fuck is happening? How are we not bullish? Bro, look. We're bullish, but we just completely reversed. That's why I can't just like do that, bruv. Daily for value gap, but the thing is we didn't even like, bruv. Oh, brother. Alright, okay, it's actually, bro. Alright, I got this. I'm bullish. I want to see longs play out here. Bro, I'm bullish though, bro. Like, what are we doing here? I can't trade this, bro. Bro, listen. No, watch this. I know. I know what I'm doing. Watch, ready. We're above midnight opening. This is my standard deviation. Wait. Send bridge extra price. I'm bullish here. Look at that. We type -2 standard deviation. We just fucking dump. Right? We have SMT at these highs. I'm looking for potential, I'm looking for potential. Cause I give you all of me. Like, do we go shorts here? We're tapping -2 standard deviation. We have SMT at these highs. We rejected lower pretty quickly, so we could see sharpness here. We have a low. Wait, we have a high, low, higher high, lower low. Drop down 15-minute. We have a wait. It's all fractal. We have a high, low, higher high. High, low, higher, high. I'll go mark these as my breaker block. Stops at these highs. And target lower prices. And then we go them up. Take out this limit. Bro, no way. Alright, we type content correction. We have the breaker. Perfect. Concentrate crush the breaker. Now, where are my targets? Where are my freaking targets, man? Yeah. Yes, no, I knew that, huh? Realistically, this would be your breaker. I just marked at these green down close candles. This is your breaker, technically. But now we wait. Now. Oh, look at that! I'm a fucking G. But you never want to do me dirty. Break even. I'm going to go and target London lows. Let's see if we can get London lows. I'll take a partial at this low. Can we go lower? Oh. This hurts. Alright, perfect. Partial. Let's see if we can get London lows. Alright, we get something to break even. Unfortunately, right? Perfect. That's how we do it. This is back testing, right? This is just back testing. Correct. Alright, let's go again. Plus, that was a choppy day, bro. It was a choppy day. Alright, we're below midnight opening. I'm looking to draw my standard deviation from the highest high. Right? So now we have a high, low, higher, high. We have a projection here. We're at max standard deviation. We're in this 4-hour fair value gap, daily fair, or we're in this 4-hour fair value gap. I want to see longs here. I want to see longs. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. All right, we have a CRT candle here. We could look to target London highs. Let's do this. I just want to see what happens here. Type shit. Let's see what happens. I'll put my stops at this low actually. No way. What the fuck is this, bro? Alright, bro. I'm entering one more time, bro. Alright, enter one more time, bro. The revenge trading is real. That was a turtle soup right here. Drip, drip. I look too good. Just shave smooth like a newborn. Should be dancing, romancing in the east wing. We should see higher. Oh, I lied. Bro. No trust, bro. No trust. Listen. Go here. Are we below? We're below midnight opening, right? So then I'll mark out my standard deviation. High, low. This is my whole manipulation leg here, right? We're tapping -2 standard deviation. We have a pretty sure higher time from PD array to our left. Let's see. We don't, but we look at that. We have an hourly CRT pushing us higher towards the upside. I'm looking for longs here, chat. I'm looking for potential longs, right? So let's see what happens. What you doing? What you doing? Where you at? Where you at? You got plans? Don't say that. I'm sipping wine, sip, sip in a row, drip, drip. I look too good to be alone. I'll take the entry at this fair value gap, but I don't think we're gonna come back up here. I don't think we're gonna come any lower here. That could be a breakaway gap. Bro, what? Bro, we were bullish though. Alright, bro, we're into one more time. Oh, we were just bearish. We were just bearish. We were just bearish. Or is my standard deviation projections wrong? I do trace CRT. That was my style. Oh wait, I need to align it with a higher time frame PD array, like the hour with the fair value gap. I see now, guys. You guys, I was just messing around. Let's go again. We're in a daily fair value gap. I'm marking that out. We're in a daily fair value gap. It's all right. So go on 15-minute. This is the highest point. We have a high. We have a high, low. This is my okay. Perfect. I'm looking for longs. All right, I'm looking for longs. Okay. Watching, baby. We're probably gonna take out this low. And if we don't, bro, see, look, we're longs. Wait, hold up. Let's go back on the hourly really quick. We just swapped out this low. Got it on the 5-minute. This is our breaker here. Let's see. Let's see if we can come down to this breaker. Or we can just turn off, we could just enter off OTE here. Enter off OTE here. Look at that, chat. Like, you don't even need to worry, shorty. Like, we get target London highs, but we'll go. But like, bro, chill. Like, look at that, perfect, shorty. Like, that's how we do it. That's how we fucking do it in the chat, bro. Can I get like a W in the chat, please? Can I get a W in the chat? Can I get a W in the chat? W? Can I get it, bro? 2 L's, bro. Stop. L. Oh, look at that. We were bearish. Oh, we're dumping, but no, we're bullish, bro. The trend is technically bearish, but we still long. Like, bro. Yeah, W's. Bro, I'll start hitting trades. I was just trolling. When I see your face. Alright, boss, ready? Go on the hourly time chart. We're below the midnight opening. Let's go on the hourly. Let's go on 50 minute actually. High, low. I want to see price go lower here. Because right now we're not really reacting off to any fair value gaps here on the daily or on the 4 hour. So I would like to see price go lower here. Oh, wow. Okay, so we're going higher. Okay, perfect. This is a beautiful rejection towards the downside, right? A beautiful rejection. This is a nice little rejection block here. Into our content current correction of this rejection block. And then look to go lower prices. Now let's go and play this out. What? My bro. Let's see if we can get filled this rejection block here. So let's see what happens. Oh wait, no. I would have to exit this position. When I see your face. Actually, I'm gonna stick with this trade here. We have no fair value gaps here. We should see lower prices. Like, my draw liquidity is this low right now. Bro, what the frick? Like, bro, like, we tapped -2 standard deviation, right? But the thing is, there's no fair value gaps here. There's no fair value gaps here. There's no fair value gaps to the down. There's no fair value gaps. Thing is, I'm only looking at the 4 hour and the 1 hour, or the 4 hour and like the hourly fair value gap. Bro, we did go, bro. Look at that. We went lower still, man. We still went lower. Hold on, I want to test something out really quick. Just the way you are. Wait, is it 90-minute cycle? We took out the low. Nice thick order block. Reject. Order block here. Sometimes, you know. Hold up. Yeah, I want to. I feel like in real time, like I'm taking partials, bro. Let's see. Actually, so are we above midnight opening here? What for you? And all those times may take us into dip. We tap negative. We have. I'm bearish, low key. Wait, hold up. Let me mark out with this here. 10:30. On 15-minute time chart. 9. Wait. Wait, what time is 9 o'clock? Wait. Wait, we take it the high, we take it the low, and then the high. Wait, I want to see what happens here. I was bearish. Hold on, I want to look at something really quick. My bad. Hold up. If this is your accumulation range, we manipulate, and then we go lower. Accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution is your 1030. Okay, I see. I got this, guys. I got this shit. Oh my! I found the cheat. I literally found the cheat code, bro. I found the freaking cheat code. Time-based liquidity stuff, bro. I literally found the cheat code. It's been a crazy last year. I'm trying to process still. I don't need how Russia feel. 83 equals to me. Hold up. I love everything. Alright, we have accumulation, manipulation at a key time. Manipulation at a key time. Key. I'm looking for distribution towards the upside here. So I'm looking for 945 to distribute here. Okay, baby, I'm back. Thought you were the one for me. It's been so long. I'm just looking for an inversion for value gap or like an order block here. Alright, I'm entering longs here. I'm looking to target this accumulation high. No way. What? Bro, I'm cooked. Accumulation, manipulation. I'm looking for distribution here, bro. Oh, Q2 is so much more real, bro. Bro. I'm actually cooked. No, the confluence was SMT and fair value gap inversion. Bro, I'm not showing the stats right now, bro. I'm not showing the fucking stats. Hold up. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think. If AMD, if this is our accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Got the 1 minute here really quick so I can just mark it out perfectly a little bit better. Go here. This is my accumulation range. We manipulate this at a key time. Accumulation, manipulation, and looking for distribution towards the downside, right? So now this is my area of this is my area right here. So now I want to look for shorts. So my accumulation high, accumulation low. Oh my gosh, my bias is shorts. Okay, I'm gonna start trading the second stage. I'm gonna start trading the accumulation range, bro. I'm starting to train. Okay, what time is this? What time does this start? 7:30. All right, I'm trading. All right, I got this. Bro. I'm trading. Bro, fuck, I'm done. I'm done, bro. All right, I'm done. I'm done messing around, bro. I'm done fucking messing around, bro. All right, I'm done messing around. Actually, I'm gonna get this down, bro. All right. I'm gonna wake up at 7:30 every freaking morning. I'm gonna stream it every freaking morning, bro. Because obviously I can't, bro. All right, this is my accumulation. Wait, is it? Yeah, this is my accumulation. All right, perfect. We just manipulated above the high. Perfect. We get this inversion for value. I'm taking it. Boom. Perfect. Take it to inversion for value. Targeting this accumulation low. And we have London lows down here also. I'm taking this shit. SMT? Oh, SMT the highs too. Okay, perfect. Most perfect thing you could ask for, right? We're going to break even after consequent encroachment of this consolidation range. Oh, perfect. All right, we're going to break even. Not playing. We'll go right here. How can we not talk about family? Family is all that we got. There we go. All right, let's target these accumulation lows. Come on, please. Please, bro. Please, bro. Just ES or NQ. Just do me a fucking solid, bro. Please. I'm trying to win. No way. All right, I'll put myself to the side, actually. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. I'm fucking him, bro. Tap me up, bro. Bro, I'm literally him. Alright, I'm waking up every single day at 7:30, bro. No, this was a market opening. Oh, this was news. Guess what? I caught the top of news, bro. I caught the top of news. The level will never get lost. Give it a loss. I got this. When I'm gone. Yeah. How can we not talk about family? Your family's all that we got. Alright, this is my accumulation range. I'm waiting for manipulation. Oh, perfect manipulation. We can get like some sort of like confirmation here, bro. It looks so nice. So fucking nice. Let's see. Alright, we get the CISD, but I'm not too convinced. I want to wait for this inversion, these inversion for value gaps here. Give these inversions, please. Okay, we don't get the inversions. I think that I really like. Let's see what happens. If we see, I'm trying to see if we can get like some sort of like confirmation towards the upside here. Or can we get some sort of fucking confirmation? Okay, we have a nice bearish fair value gap here. A nice bearish fair value gap. I want to see us break through this. Alright, bro. Okay, we don't do that. We just liquidity sweep. Alright, let's see if we have a breaker. We have a low, high, lower, low. We have a breaker here now, which is perfect. I'll also take this breaker. Consequent, I'll take this. Stop loss at this low. And then obviously I'm looking to target these accumulation highs. So let's see what happens. Guys, A plus or what? A plus or what? And London lows has been swept. Is this A plus? A plus? A plus or what? A sweep. We swept out. Wait, did we? Oh, we didn't take a line of lows. But nah, we trade. All right, we get tagged to this breaker. Oh, brother, this doesn't look good. Oh my gosh, this is not good. Accumulation, manipulation. Like, how long, like, how quickly are we looking for? Like, how do you know if it's going to be a failed AMD, bro? Yeah, this kind of bad. Bro, am I cooked? Alright, actually, hold up. Let's see. Let's hold up, put out this really quick. Said you won't trips to Puerto Rico. Say my word, Enrico. You can be my flica. I would never make a promise that I can't keep. The only problem here is because we had no SMT, but now we have SMT at this accumulation here, so I will look all along this mirror. Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? Say it's us. Say it's us. Jump in a Cadillac, girl. Let's put some miles on it. We're at this accumulation range, right? I'll go break even here and look to target constant encroachment of this area. Gold jewelry shining so perfect, bro. Take partial at this high. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Bro, I'm literally him. And London highs, bro. London highs. London highs, chat. London highs. London highs. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go. I gotta pee really quick. Alright, you know what? Alright. I'll put on one Powell video just for you guys. Just for you guys, so you guys don't get bored. Alright, one Powell leaked video, okay? What do you guys want to look at? One Powell leaked video. One Powell. Come on. Kidding. Alright, I'll be right back. Nothing for you. Alright, let's get started. Something's got a hold of me lately. Oh, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are closing in and the devil's knocking. Alright, so Mark out the accumulation high and low. Now, we wait for price action to do what? Manipulate. AMD, right? Chillin'. Looks like this manipulation zone also manipulates or also consolidates. Perfect. So, I would wait here. Right now, this is since we're in a new quadrant. Since we're in a new quadrant, my NGA, we're gonna go here, mark out this. All right, now this is our new consolidation. I want to enter off like something here. Perfect. Accumulation here. Manipulation. Like I would long here. Actually, I would wait here. Problematic. Problem is when I'm with you, I'm an addict. Oh yes, and we have SMT at the lows too. That's perfect. That's my take. That's my partial there. All right. I can either take a partial here or like go break even. I'll go break even here and look to target London highs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Break even here. Uh-oh. Alright, stopped out of break even. Alright. I mean... Nothing, I mean, it doesn't look high prob, but like, it's still there. Yeah, I'm using slightly quarterly theory. But like, I still need help with quarterly theory. Like, quarterly theory, like, I know this was a accumulation here, right? But thing is, we manipulate, like, during the quarter, we manipulate during the third quarter. So, and then, so this quarter, 10:30 to 12 should be like the expansion phase, but we don't. So that's like, I don't even know, bro. Yo, what's up, Mario Trades? Is this the real Mario? Is this the black Mario? Let's see. Oh, London Algo. Oh, that's him. He's a London trader, chat. Can you just can you shut trading? Bro, I might, bro. And just have hot girls on. Yeah, I know, bro. Bro, Mario. Like, everyone disappeared, bro. Like, Keen disappeared. Soap disappeared, bro. Like, everyone literally disappeared, bro. I'm not gonna lie. There's liquidity after we manipulate. Yeah, but I just don't feel comfortable, bro. That's all that is. Alright, let's see. So now. Boom. Oh, wait. I messed up, bro. Bro, I messed up. Okay. Alright, so now. Mark the accumulation range from here to here. Alright, now we're just waiting for manipulation. Alright, manipulation, right? So now. From here to here, we have a quarter. We have 3 quarters here. From 9. Manipulation. I'm waiting for around 8:15 to look for entries here for shorts. Alright, look at that. Perfect. We have a breaker here. A high, low, higher, high. We have a breaker here. Edge off the breaker. Stops at this high. The only problem here, we don't have SMT at the highs here, but right now we can look to target this. So we get tagged on the breaker. No. Okay, we get tagged on the breaker. Perfect. Okay, nice. Tagged on the breaker. Now we can look to go break even at these highs or adjust our stop loss. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and adjust my stop loss here. And then I'm looking to target accumulation lows. Alright, but the thing is we do have SMT at the lows down here now. So we could, I'm going to go ahead and start trailing. I'm going to go break even here. Alright, that's how we fucking do it. There we go. Do you think you'll get a payout this year? Perhaps. Hopefully. I'm prepared. Alright, let's go again. I can do this. I can do this, chat. Please have mercy. Alright. I'm marking my accumulation high. Oh, this is the wrong one. This is my New York accumulation. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, manipulation, right? But I'm not looking to take it. Okay, so this is the manipulation area. I'm looking for this right here. I'm looking to trade around 815. Because everything else is going to be fake. Manipulation. Alright. 815 here happens. We have a inversion for value, which we could enter off of. And SMT at the highs. Perfect. Short this shit. Alright, let's see. I want to target accumulation. I want to target constant encroachment of the accumulation low. I want to target constant encroachment of the accumulation. Let this run. Let's see what happens here. Oh my gosh, bro. We just get freaking destroyed. Alright, let's go ahead and give it another try here. We have SMT at the highs also. I'll give this another shot at this inversion for value gap. Here we go. Starting to displace here. There we go. Oh, frick. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Pumps down to this low. I'm going to go break even here. Wait, no. I'm going to take a partial because we have SMT at the lows now. I'm going to take a partial here and let it run to accumulation lows. There we go. Oh my gosh. That's how we did it. Like us. The problem is all this stuff you use don't work. It works, bro. It's just like I need to work it with time, bro. Like, bro, perfect. Literally perfect. Like, right here, I entered off this inversion, bro. This is a clean inversion for a value gap, man. I mean, there's nothing much I can do about that. We got stopped out. And then, bro, again, inversion for value gap, SMT, divergence. Like, bro, beautiful, right? But then, like, what we could do is target accumulation areas right here, right? So, like, right here. Look where we react off of. Like, right here. This area of price action. Oh my god. The website is called FX Replay. FX Replay. Alright, so let's go ahead and mark out my accumulation highs and lows. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see where price manipulates first. Alright, so price manipulates in this area. Like us. Alright, we manipulate at a key time, which is good. Key time. So let's go ahead and mark out my standard deviation where price can potentially reverse from. This here. So price, I want to see price keep coming back down to these -2 standard deviation area for me to start looking for longs. So I'm not paying it. I'm not interested in anything until we tap that. We tap -2 standard deviation. Now I want to see if we have any SMT divergence. No SMT divergence. I'm gonna wait here. Look at that sweep. No SMT divergence just yet. I'm waiting. Look at that. We come down, resweep. No SMT. Just waiting. Just waiting. Just waiting. Just waiting. Nothing here for me right now, but. I would wait here. We have SMT at the lows now. Nothing can come between you and... Okay, I'll go ahead and give longs here a stab. We just broke above. We should be fine here. We should be chilling. I'm targeting constant encroachment of this area here. Oh, this doesn't look good. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. $9.30 opens up. We just completely dump. I'll wait for 9:45 here. I'm still bullish. Haha. Alright, we have SMT. I'll wait for a breaker here, though. You have a low, high. Alright, I can just go ahead and enter here. Stops at this low. That's my Bro, what the Bro, what? Bro, this day we just dumb, bro. Bro, I'm actually chopped. Am I chopped? Alright. We're pattern trading CRT. We're pattern trading CRT, bro. Fuck it. Pattern trading CRT. Let's go on the daily. Pattern trading CRT. Fuck it. Alright. Pattern trading CRT. Fuck it. Alright. Let's go on the daily. We sweep out the low here. We got hourly CISD. Oh, perfect. Hourly CISD here. Perfect. Now we're going the potential hourly, and just look for a load or look for a CRT high and low. So I don't like how we took out that high, unfortunately. Bro, how the fuck do we pattern trade this, bro? All right, if we take out this low, bro. Alright, we just took at that. We just took at this low. I'm looking for a 5-minute CISD here. Alright. I'm not looking. Okay, so I like how we did this. We retrace back to the 5-minute fair value gap. I'll take it. Gorgeous, make him drop dead. You a killer. Shower you with all my attention. SMT the highs. Okay, take partial. I'm a fucking G. Would you rather have a CDO or a live account? A live account, of course. But you're not trying. You just need to understand what the entry pattern comes last. Focus on high time and what it's doing. Would you rather listen to a trader that has real track record of a guy who writes about order blocks and fair value gaps? Bro, I rather just go homeless. No, I'm playing. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. But the stats are crap, bro. I suck. I'm actually so bad at backtesting. 40% win rate though? It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Bro, I've not been spotting accumulation, bro. I'm actually so bad. I don't know why. Run away. Alright, we're bullish. I'm pattern trading this shit. On the hourly, I'm just looking for an hourly CRT. Perfect. Hourly CRT. Perfect, chat. Can we swip at the slow? Do you have a CISD here? Can we get a CISD here, chat? Please. Perfect. CISD here. Oh, perfect. Nice. Oh, look at that. We have an order block here. Boom. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead and put stops to the slow. Okay, let's target higher prices here. All right, let's go and target 2R. Let's go ahead and put a limit order. Let's see if we can come back down to this order block. That'd be very nice. Okay, we come back down to this order block. Oh, let's see if we can, oh, shit. Okay, let's just keep going. We have an hourly CRT here, potentially. All right, perfect. Nice. Can we get this hourly order block? Can we get an hourly order block? Okay, perfect. That's why I didn't enter. If we get this inversion for value up, I'll enter. Alright, perfect. I'm entering. Subs to the slow. Let's go on the hourly. Oh, shit. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. We just CRT the slow. Hourly for value gap. Enter. Stops at the slow. Where's the other hourly? Where's the other hourly CRT? Perfect. Okay, target this high. Perfect. 5 minute. Alright, bro. Let's see what happens with this run. Bro, I'm a fucking G. I'm actually a G, bro. I'm actually a G. Yeah, no, I'm gonna change the song. I didn't realize. You can literally pattern trade this shit. Go on the daily time chart. We see about previous daily highs. Okay, so potentially look for shorts. Do we get an hourly CISD? Alright, perfect. We get an hourly CISD. I'm looking for shorts. Oh, look at that. We just took out this hourly high. Alright, so our bullish here. Bullish. Bro, what the... Bro, how are we entering here, bro? Bro, I actually gave up on trading, bro. I actually gave up on trading, bro. If he only listened to ICT's 4-hour rant on Whack Gips. Whack Gips, okay, I know. Bro. Hey, bro. Alright. You know what? I'm exposing Powell's fucking videos, bro. I gotta study. I literally gotta study. What are we looking at? Alright, let's look at rejection blocks, bro. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. Huh? How could I be more consistent? Cause, bro, like real shit, like real shit, like real shit. Like, there's so many strategies, and like, I don't know which one to use, and I'm not consistent with it either. Like, I want a model that is like low risk. Like low risk. and high reward. So how can I do that? Look at the chart queue. How can you do that? First, you need to establish a bias, right? Establish a bias. We just swept out previous daily high here. Do we get an hourly CISD towards the downside? Yes, we do get an hourly CISD towards the downside here. So I'm bearish on this day. So if I'm bearish, I want to be looking for whack because they act as gaps, right? We have an hourly gap here after sweeping out liquidity. Now this gap could be high probability, right? So now we can enter off this constant current encroachment of this wick gap here, right? Let's go here and do this, and then let's just target some sort of buy side or sell side liquidity. Now let's go into market order so we get filled here. Okay, we get filled at this gap, right? So now stops is there. I would like to see price action. Reject. Perfect. Rejection. Now this is literally Powell's shit, right? We can go break even now, right? So now rejection block, because we should be chilling here, right? So now where can we target? We can target these levels of sell side. Okay, so we get stopped at break even. Unfortunate. Oh, frick me, man. Unfortunate. Time is key, but then like time is like I guess like my price isn't aligning, bro, with time, and then time is there, but the like time is there, but price isn't aligning, but price is there, but time isn't aligning, so it's like fuck. All right, let's go next day. All right, okay, let's actually lock in for real. They told me they missed the old me. I know. Let's go on the hourly. Okay, so we sweep the high here, right? Do we get an hourly CISD? No hourly CISD, so I'm bullish here. So where is a bullish rejection block? I was drinking every night and getting. You have SMT down here. Even stay alive to your mind. No, heaven is a place I don't wanna go. 'Cause every time you face, I don't wanna die no more. Die no more. No. Every time I break, all I'm asking for is another day. I don't want to die no more. Die no more. No. On my walls and can I get filled here? There we go. Rejection block on the 5-minute. Look back. Y'all back. Target some sort of internal buy side liquidity, which is this high right now for me. Wanna die no more. Die no more. No. Every time I break, all I'm asking for is another day. I don't wanna die no more. Die no more. No. Bro, what? Bro, this. I'm done. Bro, I'm actually like rejection blocks. Like, he told us to use the he made the video rejection blocks only. High probability is with if the candle is bullish, if you're bullish, and if it's bearish, use the bearish candle, bro. All right, let's actually look. Let's go back. I was bullish on the day. I want to see what happens here, though. Okay, yeah, bullish price action was there. I mean, shit, I don't even know. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. All right, let's go on the daily. We sweep up previous daily high, but guess what? We're still bullish because we have no structure towards the downside. So let's go here. I'm bullish bias. Running throughout all this liquidity. The candle has to be bullish. Perfect. Oh, we're probably going to get stopped here, though. We're probably going to get stopped here. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I got lucky here, though. We have the wick theory. Oh, shit. Wait. Constant encouragement of this fair I got. That's my target if I get. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm done. I'm fucking done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Bro, no way we don't get filled, bruv. 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 This rejection block failed. And we went lower. Oh, bro. Probably gonna end the stream. Go DoorDash. What can I do? What can I do in order to improve? Why would I need a mentor whenever I have you guys? You guys are the best mentors out there. Let's see. Huh. Alright, we're bullish. We're bullish. Hot. Let's zoom out a little bit more. We're in a bullish trend. I mean, bro. Let's see. Heaven is a place I don't want to go. 'Cause when I see your face, I don't want to. Just want to see. I'm having an anxiety attack. I'm having an anxiety attack. Huh. How can I do this? Wait, Winnie, don't come over here. Winnie, go. Bro, rough. I'm thinking, bro. I'm actually in a rut. Cause, bro, like I'll see like this as AMD right now. AMD manipulation. But we don't like distribute here. I think calling it quits might be it. Let's see. I'm kidding. I can't quit now, bro. I'm already too deep into it. Today I drove through the suburbs. We can do quarterly theory on like. Why would I quit, bro? There's no point. I'm already too deep into it. Accumulation, manipulation. We're probably gonna. Let's see what happens. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, this would have been my accumulation, manipulation, distribute, bro. We just fucking dumb. So, bro, it's like. I'm like, bro. Standard deviation, SMT, SSMT, time with QT too much. Bro, I think it's time. I think it's time. It's time to hang up the ropes. I think it's time to hang up the fucking ropes, chat. It's time to hang up the ropes, bro. I'm hot. It's hot in here, bro. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I need to vape, bro. I need to vape. I need to vape. I'm stressed, bro. I'm too stressed, bro. I'm too stressed, bro. Try and bearish. Looking for shorts. All right, shorts. Moon. What y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so brave. Look out. I popped this shoulder. Shoulder. Guess who's back again? Yeah, it's time to hang up the ropes. Time to hang up the ropes. Bro, like, look at that. The bias was bearish, but we went up. That's the only... I forgot all about fucking Kubik's theory, honestly. I don't trade with Johnny anymore. Hustlers. Dances. Guess it. That's for him. see my hairline, bro? Pocket, keep up. What am I doing, bro? No, structure was bearish, bro. Structure was bearish. 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so bright. Like, I just need a strategy. I just need a strategy. And I know so many of them. But I can't implement it. Can we do the push-up street, bro? Bro, I'm too gassed, bro. I'm not him anymore. At least my shirt smells good. Did you get kicked by Johnny? No. Or yes, obviously, yeah. 24 karat magic in the air. Hold up, let's go 80, man. No, actually, no. Okay, come on, lock in. Lock the fuck in, Q. Lock the fuck in. You fucking... Bro, lock the fuck in. Lock in. Actually lock in for real. Alright, okay, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Alright, let's actually lock in. Like, I'm being so serious. Let's lock in for real. Alright. Alright, we're locking in, bro. Alright, we're locking in. Let's lock in. Some dumbass bullshit, bro. I know you want it. I know you want it. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Okay, what is this, bro? Watch. Bro, I'm done. I'm actually done. I am actually done. Bro, like, it's, like, thing is, bias is, like, right. I guess entries and, like, where to enter is, like, complete dog shit. I was bearish too. Bro, I was bearish, but why did we go back up, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. Like, this is like... Use discretion, Q. Come on. Lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. Alright, basically, this is my accumulation range, right? My accumulation range from here to here. We just took out this accumulation high. Okay, so we just took out this accumulation high. So we're probably going to go alongs here. Because realistically, this high is supposed to hold if we're obviously bearish. But we didn't. We come back up to this high. So I'm pretty much bullish bias going to the day. Now, I'm looking for SMTs at these lows, potentially. No SMT at these lows. So we could see potential lower prices, too. Let's see what happens. Go to 15-minute time chart. Let's go to 5-minute, actually. Probably go lower here, but... Like, bro, where are we at? Why are we pumping from here, bro? Like, why are we pumping from here, my G? Bro, attention. You don't from the start. Like, bro, like... Alright, let's go again. Alright, this is my accumulation range from here to here. Accumulation. Manipulation. We should have come back down to the slow. We're going higher. This is my total suit, most likely. If I'm bullish, this slow shouldn't get met. Alright, good boy. Oh, I'm literally trading ES, bro. What am I doing? I'm literally trading ES. I'm not locked in. But it looks like ES moves a lot cleaner though too. Alright, mark out the accumulation high low. Okay, we take it out of key level. We're probably gonna go shorts here still. Shorts. Shorts are the move, chat. But we don't fucking retrace it to anything, bro. Bro, we don't retrace it. Bro, okay, yeah, next day, bro. Candace Coven. Hello, Candace. Hello, how are you? Or Candle Coven. Hello. Yeah, no, what? I'll lock in. I'll lock in. I'll lock in. I'll lock in. Wait, is this your dog? Alright, I'll lock in. 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 Alright, let's lock in. Come on. Alright, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Alright. Let's lock in real quick. Okay, basically this is my accumulation range from here to here. Alright, we manipulate this low, right? This is my manipulation area. So if we come back down below this low, we're probably going to go lower. But guess what? We end up like... Do we have SMT at the lows here? No SMT at the lows, so we probably will retrace. I'm bearish right now. Let's see, take a London highs. Let's see. Did we get a 1-minute inversion or something? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Bro, this shit's so fucking bad. Did we get this? Did we get a SMT? Did we get an inversion? Potentially. Alright. They have SMT. Alright, I'm entering. I'll just go ahead and enter here. I'm looking for lower prices here. There we go. Oh, there we fucking go. Yo, these fireworks are loud. Wow. Bro. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, what am I doing, bro? Obviously managing the price would be a lot easier if it was real data. You know what I mean, type shit. Let's go again. All right, accumulation, manipulation. All right, we're going lower prices here. Like I'll reject off this fair value gap. SMT. There we go. There we go. Next day. Next day. I'm a G. Next day. Alright, let's go here. Mark at the accumulation range. We end up taking my accumulation high. If we're bearish, yeah, we shouldn't come back down to that low. We're high, low, high, high. We have a breaker here. I have a breaker here. Stops. Stops can go like above this fair value gap high. Target London lows. Alright, we get tagged. That's just if we're bearish though. Alright, we can go manage our risk here. Alright, there we go. Debut trade next day. Debut trade next day. Debut trade next day. Debut trade next day. Alright, let's go here. Low. If we're bearish, we shouldn't seek this low. What can confirm this? A breaker. Nice. Alright, we'll go ahead and drop this breaker. We have a low, high, lower, low, breaker, accumulation. If we're bullish, we shouldn't see higher. If we're bullish here, we shouldn't seek out this low. All right, we could take partials off at the accumulation high. Oh, brother, we're getting cooked. All right, we're going lower prices here. We're going lower prices here. Okay, we're going lower. There we go. All right, Debbie trade in the chat. 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 Okay, Debbie trade in the chat. Debbie trade in the chat. All right, next day. Bro, it's Sammy. Hello, Samuel5. I will teach you how to trade for free. I will teach you how to trade for free. I got you. Okay? I got you. Oh, I mean, for free. It's on repeat. Like, okay, ready? All right, accumulation, manipulation. We have SMT at these highs. High, low, higher, high. We have a breaker here. If we can get this breaker here, that stops it with this accumulation high. It's just got some bad bitch music. Oh, Bro, he distracted me, bro. That was pretty bad. This is FX replay. Bro. Man. Bro. Okay, let's go back on the 5-minute here. Let's go. Like right here. Like mark out the accumulation phase. Alright, we're going shorts. I already know we're going shorts. Alright, shorts this. And high, and then like Alright, I'm done. I'm done trading. I'm done backtesting for the day. I'm done. I'm done. Alright, I'm calling it. I gotta chill. Alright, I gotta fucking chill. Alright. Bro, Sammy, hit me up. I got you. You requested to follow private account. Wait. Oh shit. Wait. Oh yeah, I got you. All right. I'm getting off, bro. When I'm dropping the mentorship, bro. Soon. I gotta go. I'm hungry. Like I gotta go. I gotta fucking go. I gotta lock in. All right. I will see you guys.